Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Today, we're spotlighting an absolute game-changer in home cleaning: the Shark VMP30 VACMOP Disposable Hard Floor Vacuum and Mop Pad Refills. If you're looking for a reliable cleaning solution, you've come to the right place, because this product is, without a doubt, the best Shark vacuum pad available today. The Shark VMP30 VACMOP pads are specially designed to provide a complete clean on all sealed floors. Whether you have hardwood, tile, laminate, or vinyl, these pads deliver a powerful cleaning experience. Each package contains 10 pads, and the convenience of disposability means you can simply toss them away without ever needing to touch a dirty pad. This feature is especially handy for those of us who dread dealing with messes after cleaning. What sets the VACMOP pads apart is their innovative design. The pads feature an integrated dirt chamber that vacuums up and locks away debris as you clean. This means you're not just pushing dirt around, but actually collecting it for disposal. With absorbent mopping layers, these pads tackle even the toughest stuck-on grime, leaving your floors shining and spotless. Imagine effortlessly gliding through your cleaning routine, knowing that every corner is getting the attention it deserves. No more worrying about damaging your floors either. The Shark VACMOP pads are suitable for all sealed surfaces, making them a versatile choice for any home. Their multi-layered construction ensures durability and effectiveness, standing up to heavy messes and providing you with a thorough clean every time. And let's talk about convenience. With no-touch disposal, you can simply remove the dirty pad and toss it away. No mess, no fuss. This innovative feature is perfect for busy families or anyone who wants to make cleaning as effortless as possible. Another noteworthy aspect of the Shark VMP30 VACMOP pads is their impressive customer feedback. With a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 40,000 reviews, it's clear that customers appreciate the quality and efficiency these pads offer. When compared to other brands, the Shark VACMOP pads shine in their unique ability to combine vacuuming and mopping into one seamless process. Many alternatives fall short when it comes to truly locking away dirt and grime, making the Shark VACMOP a standout choice for those who value cleanliness. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning game, the Shark VMP30 VACMOP Disposable Hard Floor Vacuum and Mop Pad Refills are waiting for you. With their innovative design, unmatched convenience, and outstanding cleaning power, these pads will quickly become your go-to cleaning solution. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and product critiques. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the Shark VACMOP pads or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy cleaning.